Guys, we're inside of my RV. It's a 84 or 85, I can't remember, Ford RV, MRV. I have traps in here. This one's got a lot of mice in it. And there was one in here. He got caught in that snap trap and chewed the hell out of everything. Apparently he was still alive. So, it's been ravaged pretty bad by mice. Despite all my traps, I have other snap traps about in here. I don't know if there's anything in them yet, but there's crap all over there. All over there. All up here, and look at that. He tore the hell out of that. Golly. I haven't been in here, and well, I've been in here a little bit just to check for mice. But this hasn't moved in 2 years. And I got to do a cold start on it to get it up by the house so we can get it cleaned up and stuff. Poor thing. Okay, door doesn't want to shut. So yeah, it's not pretty, but everything's here. Oh, sorry about the wind, guys. I live in wind country. Everything's wide open. Why, look at there. Is that a... Can't tell if that's a pheasant out there or just a bird. Anyway, the RV here was given to me by somebody at work that I work with because they got a new one. And the poor thing's got crap all over it. There's a bunch of sparrows in here. And I usually put it in here in the winter time. But I didn't move it out last year at all, so it's been sitting here 2 years. This is how I make my jump packs. I take a dead jump pack, take the cables out of it, and put it onto a GM battery. It works really good. I jump start everything. Cars, yard equipment, whatever, you know. I know this battery's toast, but I'm going to use it to jump start anyway. I'll connect this to this battery and jump start. This is the auxiliary battery for all the electricals and side lights and whatever. That one was good a couple years ago. I don't know if it's still good or not. I have disconnects on them. I just connected everything, even that other one. It's a big old 460 in here. She takes a lot of juice to start. And unfortunately, I got to use starting fluid for a little bit. The carburetor is pretty iffy on this thing. It's a big old Holly, and it needs a total rebuild. And I am not a contortionist. I can't get in there to do it. And it's going to cost me some money to get that fixed. So, I think I got everything ready here. I put 2 gallons of ethanol-free gas in it. The inside of the gas tank tube looked really clean yet, so I'm hoping the rest of it is too. So, let's see. I'm going to try and put you in the old holder here. Sorry about the wind again, but ain't much I can do about it. Get some starting fluid in there. Connect our battery. Okay, let's see here. Well, it doesn't look like any mice have gotten into our air filter area, so that's good. Okay, here goes nothing. There's a fly inside there the size of an airplane. Anyway, I know how this thing is. It's probably going to take a few of these shots. So, bear with me. Hopefully the camera doesn't stop, or my phone. Well, at least we'll know it will run. It's got to get gas to it. God dang it. As you can hear, the sparrows or the swallows are not happy I'm in here. Good old Ford. Sorry, Chevy guys. I like Chevys too, but mainly a Ford guy. Guys still with me? Didn't stop recording, did it? Nope, still going. Right on. Yeah, put this holder in the trailer here. Alright. Hard to believe it has carburetor problems, but it do. It needs a good carb rebuild. So the next thing is I got to get this stuff out of here, come back down, get this bad boy out of here. Well, maybe I'm going to pause you guys a second. Okay, got this crap out of the way. You guys can take a look around here. It's my house up there. I got to bring it up in front of the house. Oh boy, is this thing a mess. So, I'm going to take you guys on a little trip with me. Right on. I'll roll this window down. Kind of smells in here, if you know what I mean. No. Why would I leave that in here? How stupid. That was dumb. Anyway, I don't know if you guys can see the gauges. Yeah, she's purring like a kitten. That accelerator pump is shot though. I know the sun glare is pretty bad. See if we can get this sucker moved. Oh, I think the brakes were frozen. Oh, not anymore though. Cripes, it only sat for 2 years and the brakes are frozen on it. I got a little bit of gas. I'm gonna... Whoa! A bunch of shit just fell back here. Okay. My son. I'll be back in a second. Take it up and down the driveway. Yeah, accelerator pump doesn't want to kick in. I try to wash the windshield, but I'm sure the wipers are shot. Yeah. It's been a while since I drove this sucker. Man, is it dirty in here. Holy cow. Yeah, it can be a little tricky to turn it around, especially with one hand. Whoa, going in the ditch. Don't want to go in the ditch. Yeah, please don't die. I don't have a jump pack down here. God dang it. No. Oh shit. Alright guys, I gotta pause you. I don't have a jump pack down here, and I'm sure. Ooh, wow, come on. Wow, I thought that battery was toast. Huh. Alright, we are on our way. Thank God, that would have been a long walk back to go get a jump pack. Especially being it's all the way down by the corn crib. Oh boy. Oh, it died again. Come on. I might be screwed here, guys. Something's wrong. Something's definitely wrong. Oh man. If I can't get it to run, I'll have to pull it back with the tractor. Oh man, I'm gonna have to let you guys go. I think I got big problems here. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.